Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to charge your iPhone 14 wireless. So you don't have to plug in a cable here in your iPhone 14, but you can just use a wireless charging device. Well, what kind of charging devices you can use? If you look at Amazon or other places, you have these key chargers, and these key chargers are an industry standard. So you can use these key chargers without any problems and just choose one, and then if I go here, you can see it's charging. The good thing is that you can also use cheap ones, like with $10 or 10 euros, or it doesn't matter, or more expensive ones. But the problem is the cheaper ones don't charge very fast. So they charge pretty slow. That's okay if you have them the whole time, like on your desk or somewhere else, but they don't charge very fast. There are some key chargers that are a little bit faster, and they will always say that, okay, here special for iPhone or something, charge faster and so on. So if you want to charge faster, then take a look at key chargers which charge a little bit faster. But those cheap ones, this is a cheap one, it also works without any problem, and I can just put it in, and that's good. The negative thing is that if you put it a little bit here on the side, so I go a little bit here and I put it here like this, it won't charge because I have to directly put it on there, and then it will charge. For these cases, Apple has invented its own charger, okay? And this charger is a little bit the charger with the Apple Watch, because it's magnetic, and you can just put it in here at the back like this, and then it's fit, and you can see here again it's charging. Okay, so again it will just plop, go there, and then it will charge without a problem. If you have a strong power delivery here, then it will charge pretty fast. And of course, it's a little bit more expensive, but there are a lot of companies who provide these kinds of charging devices. And the good thing, it automatically fits here with the magnet. So you can see here, it's not very easy to remove it, and it won't be problematic to charge your device with this one. But of course, it's a little bit more expensive. So you can see here, you have two different methods how you can charge your device: with a standard key device, key charging device, or here with the Apple device, with the Apple device. Both of them work very good. And you must just choose which one you want to have. And if you don't want it, you can also still charge your device with a normal cable. Yes, that was it. How to charge your device wirelessly on your iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.